It's just not that hot, guys. All on that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to more Food Tales. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've not joined the family, make sure you guys click that red subscribe button down below. So today we have a mukbang at Dave's Hot Chicken. Honestly, it's been long overdue. I've wanted to try this for a long time, but now the time has finally come. So we're gonna get right into this, guys, and I'll explain exactly what I have. All right, guys, so on the menu, we have 2 of their hot chicken tenders. We have their mac and cheese. We have some of their Dave's sauce. We also have some fries. We have their slider, which is pretty much just their fried chicken burger. So I'm gonna get right into this, guys. And this is the first thing I'm gonna have. So the heat level I got was hot for everything. So we're gonna see how this tastes. All right, big bites only. All right, I'm excited for this one, guys. I'll take one more bite and see. Definitely not as hot as I expect, but overall it's a good fried chicken sandwich. I'm definitely not disappointed that I waited this long to try it, because I won't say it's life-changing, but it's a pretty good sandwich, I will say that. We got that classic crinkly fries, guys. The sauce is very good, the fries are very good. All right, guys, so we're going to try our chicken tenders, guys. I'm just gonna dip it in my Dave's sauce and see how that tastes, guys. Pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. It has a little bit of a kick to it, but I thought it would have been a lot hotter. Well, I can't complain, guys. It's pretty good. You know what? Let's get into some of this mac and cheese. I don't really have high hopes, because a lot of times when you go to these fast food places and you get mac and cheese, it's just not that good, but we're gonna see, guys. Open up. Yeah, it's always very underwhelming. Definitely needs a bit of salt, though. I think if I had a little bit of salt, it would be a lot better. But yeah, mac and cheese is just okay. Get some more of these fries. I will say I'm enjoying the fries a lot. Nicely seasoned. So far, I'm enjoying myself. Was it worth all the hype? No. But it's still pretty good in my opinion. Back to our tenders, guys. Pour some more of that sauce on there. I think next time I'm gonna have to try the Reaper, because the hot, it's just not that hot, guys. I definitely thought it was gonna be way more of a kick. All on that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this mac and cheese, guys. Make room for all of this. All right, we are done with that. I'm just gonna slide this over quickly. Some more of that toast. I actually wish the toast was actually toasted just a bit. Sauce is pretty good. I will say that. Let me get some more of this. All right, guys, so we're gonna finish this off. I will say I love like the cabbage and the slaw that they have in this. It is pretty good. Their Dave sauce actually reminds me of Chick-fil-A sauce. Definitely gives me like the same elements. And they're both pretty good sauces, so I'm not complaining at all. Those fries, I will say, the fries are nice. Nicely seasoned. And who doesn't love crinkly fries? Pretty much done with this. All right, guys, last bite. I will say I definitely enjoyed my meal. And Dave's Hot Chicken, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. All right, guys, we're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching my Dave's Hot Chicken mukbang. My favorite definitely was the fried chicken sliders. Also added cheese to it, so I definitely enjoyed that. The fries were pretty good. Overall, everything was pretty good. The mac and cheese, I mean, it's like a typical fast food mac and cheese. Kind of bland, but it's all good. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I need you guys to smash that like button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried Dave's Hot Chicken and what is your favorite menu item. But you guys already know how it goes. If you're Marv, stay tuned for the next episode. Marv, gang.